For all you veggie lovers out there, this dip's for you. It's a creamy avocado hummus made with only 3 ingredients, plus a little bit of spices if you like it. It is purely good for your body. It's hydrating, it's filled with good healthy fats, plus it has that natural plant-based protein that'll keep your body full and hydrated. So let's learn how to make this quick and easy fun treat. The 3 ingredients that you're going to need is an avocado. You'll need some chickpeas, make sure that they're rinsed and drained. You'll need a lemon squeezed with its juice, or if you have concentrated organic lemon juice, you can just use that. It's quick and simple. And of course, if you have some salt and pepper, you can add into the mix. We're gonna put all of that into the blender or food processor. Make sure that it is blended up until it's smooth and creamy, and then we're gonna give it a try. And voila, here it is. Smooth, creamy avocado hummus. Now let's give it a try. Oh, now that is really good. This is the best of both worlds. You're getting something crunchy, such as your cucumber, and it's filled with hydration. Mixing it together with chickpeas and avocado, which is basically like eating guacamole and hummus together all at once. And it's only 3 ingredients, and it's so good. Like, I'm actually really like, you have to make this. Just find your favorite vegetables, mix it together, and get hydrated. What you'll need is an avocado, and you'll need a cup of, what you'll need to make this avocado, All right, the 3 ingredients that you're going to need. I don't understand why everybody has to eat in front of the camera whatever they make. I already know it's gonna be good. Like, don't you just love when someone's making something really great and they just like eat it right in front of you on the camera? Like, what?